sounds up, and I want you to tell me which sounds are which, okay? So this is, and this is, and this is shh, shh, ow, and what? See where her eyes go. Where's, yep, where's yep, where's ow? Okay, ow is a new one, yes. And you're already ahead of me. I'm steady, I'm gonna try and trick you. Where's, okay, where's what? Okay, this is really, the thing that she shows us is that she definitely has the phonemic awareness to know the sounds. So today we're going to work some more on, we're going to review and what, and then we're going to do a new one, which is ow. So in order to use predictive text, you have to know what the beginning sounds are, right? If you get this wrong, it's wrong. So tell me what the beginning sound, the sound would be in the word word. Very good. O-R. What would be the sound, the 3 letters in early or heard, early, or when you're saying I heard you. Yeah, E-A-R. I remember last time you cheated and you went to ear. So we have like in early, and like in her, and like in were, and like in nurse, and like in word,